Hello there viewers, welcome to my channel. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Amlan and today I'm going to show you the task that I performed in my short stint as a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. So let's begin. My first task was prediction using supervised machine learning. The task was to predict the marks scored by a student given the number of hours studied by them. I've used a small dataset consisting of only two columns for this task. First, I imported the pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn as we need them to use for our task. Then I read the dataset using pandas. Data visualization using Matplotlib comes next. After visualizing, I created the features matrix and the labels as X and Y. Then I split the data into training and testing set and fit the linear regression model. When I predicted the model on the testing set, I got a 93% accuracy. Then I plotted the graphs to compare actual and predicted values and evaluated the model using mean squared error. Finally, I used my model to predict a certain value. Now, coming to my second task, which was prediction using a decision tree algorithm. I've used the iris dataset for this task. I followed the same procedure again, imported the required modules, read the dataset, visualized it using PyPlots and Seaborn's pair plots. Then I created the features matrix and the label. Since machine cannot understand string values, I used label encoder to convert string values to numerical values. After that, I split the data into train and test set and fit the decision tree model. I predicted the model on the testing set, but the accuracy was a whopping 97%. Finally, I visualized the decision tree using GraphViz and tree module. So these were the two tasks that I performed during my internship. We'll come back next time with more such videos for you guys. Stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Till then, Amlan Mohanty signing off.